Hello guys, today we're going to be replacing relay number 173. This controls your daytime running lights and parking brake lamp on the dash. So right now my daytime running lights and parking brake light are not working, and I believe this is the issue. So I got this relay used on eBay. There's your part number. This was supposedly tested and works like it should. This was about $10 on eBay. So what we have to do is, the relay is under here, under this plastic kick panel. There's 3 T20 screws we have to remove. One there in the far left, one towards the middle here, and one on the far right. So go ahead and do that now, and this panel will drop. Okay guys, I have this kick panel removed. If you look up here to the left, we have relay 53, then right up above it, it's supposed to be 173 right there, but I don't have one. So somebody at some point must have taken the relay out. So we have the relay, and it gets mounted like this. You can see these 3 on the left side here, these 3 pins will be on your right when you go to push it in. So I'm going to go ahead and install this now. Okay, the relay is up in place. There's 173 right there. Now for the test. Okay, I'm going to turn the key to the on position. Okay, my parking brake light is on. It is engaged. Now, I'm going to go ahead and release it. The light is off, and you can see my headlights are on. I'm going to engage the parking brake. Lights go off. Disengage. Lights go on. That's the way it's supposed to work. This is a US vehicle. The daytime running lights, some people disable them. I'm probably going to do that. But yeah, so there you go. Hope this helps you guys out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Check out my other Volkswagen videos. Take care, guys.